The new facility has brought together students in a brand new way that is actually a networking hub now. The vibe is incredible. It's constant, it's fun, and it's fantastic to see.
We can underpin the award that Point Blank gives in terms of quality assurance and all of the history and lineage that Middlesex has. Point Blank can bring that very student-centred, vocational approach.
The challenge is bringing everybody in to actually understand that it's music first. No song, no production.
My favourite part is seeing people get it. You see the light bulb moment, and that's what it's all about. And yeah, just seeing people excited about sound, because that's why I'm here, and that's why I've been doing it for the number of years I have.
The biggest benefit is the staff's knowledge of the music industry, some of which have been over 25 years making records and signing deals with Grammys and have had #1 hit records here.
Occasionally I'll do sessions where I need some sort of assistance, so it's an ideal time for students to get real world experience in a live session, to get away from the college and actually become a tape op for the day, and they really relish it. I've had a number of them, they've all done really well, they've all taken it on board and had a great experience.
It's one thing being a studio bedroom producer, it's another going out into the music industry and selling your skills.
Just prepares you for the real world, and not only with the skills and expertise, but also people you know and the connections you have. And we did get an internship at NTS Radio because of Point Blank.
Whatever you go on to do next, you've got a degree. Once you've completed that, you'll have a full rounded experience. There shouldn't be any shock moments.
So to be able to come to Point Blank and work in these intimate settings whilst achieving an award from a well-regarded, established and respected higher education institution really is the best of both worlds.
Once you know what we've taught you here and add in your experiences as well, you have no excuse. You can really go out there and promote yourself and become successful in your career.